Amanda, why did you choose Austin Dental Assistant School?
Because it was closer to home, and my grandmother needed teeth. She needed her teeth done and she didn't get the chance to do them. And so I wanted to learn so that for any other grandmothers or grandparents who need their teeth done, that I can be able to help them with that.
And what is your experience so far at Austin Dental Assistant School?
It's been amazing. The teacher is great. She's hands-on learning is probably the best. So when you don't know something, she's good at trying to show you how to do it. And I love it. The hands-on is the best part.
Why did you choose Austin Dental Assistant School?
The opportunities. On all the small towns around Austin, there's a lot of dental offices. So, job opportunities.
Why were you interested in becoming a dentist?
I work with special needs kids, and a lot of the kids that I work with, they have really bad teeth. And to get them into a chair, they have anxiety or they don't know the patient. And so they freak out. And so given that I've been in caregiving, it gives me the opportunity to help other special needs and give them the opportunity to be able to feel comfortable around me since I've been, in the position of being a caregiver. So help them. And parents feel comfortable with us, people like us, to be able to do their teeth as well.
Does the program requirements and the schedule, does it fit your life and your schedule right?
Yes, because I work night shifts, and during the day I'll be able to work in dental care.
What has been the best learning or the best experience so far with the program?
Having a patient teacher and being able to do hands-on, and that helps out a lot. And then the externship, being able to go into an externship and having the dental assistants be able to show you how things are, because it's a different fast-paced learning within the externship. Hands-on is the best.
What has been the biggest challenge?
The biggest challenge would have to be the externship, because going in there not being sure if you're going to be able to grasp everything that you learned in class and having to use it, on the field. And so having the externship be able to help you and guide you through that, it does help out a lot. And the teacher is awesome.
Were you able to get an externship? And if something about your externship?
I went to Georgetown Elite Dental, and it was amazing. The dentist has been open a year, and being able to help underneath him and his assistants, they were really good at being able to actually test me while I was working. So if I was doing sterile and they were, I was learning to put tools, in where they're supposed to go, they were like, what is this tool used for? And they would put me on the spot to be like, so I can learn also in school and be able to use it, fast on, because being with the dentist, they ask you right away what these tools are. So learning your tools first is probably the number one thing that you should learn.
And did you feel prepared?
I did. And being that I've already grasped everything off from the teacher had taught us and doing our exams online, going into externship, it was able for me to be able to put things in order a lot quicker.
How was the job search?
The job search is a little bit more difficult, but I think it's because a lot of practices, they are more, family orientated. So coming into a new family, it's like, hey, are we going to be able to trust you within our family? So to be able to, it takes a lot of trust to be able to work next to a dentist. And so I think building that trust is where it needs to start.
Would you recommend this program?
I would recommend this program to a lot of young people. Even I'm 34 years old, so given the fact that, I am older and I have 3 children, it's great learning. I don't feel out of age for learning this.
Is there anything else you'd like to share about the program?
The art of dentistry is amazing. If you're an artist, being able to, play with the teeth and mold them and do all that, that is fun. It's really fun.